Fit check. Fit check. Saves the day. Anong tawag dito? Talan ko ulit. Isang araw. So, may balak po si Selena dito magstay. Kasi hindi nga namin napuntahan yung buhi. So, on the spot, dahil nga mayaman siya, bubuk na siya dito. Kasi ako magagrab ako, papunta doon. Sa IT Park. Siya, mayroon siya dito. Sa Sherilyn.
Ano?
Sherilyn. This is the bus from airport to SM Cebu. P2P daw to. Tutunin ko lang din sa vlog. Milky, milky. So init. Saan? Paano? Paano? Tapos, ay,
you say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower in the bloom. I could shower you with love. You can keep the keys to your dreams.
sa akin. Diba? Diba? Kaya gaya eh.
Tingin mo ba may daan? Meron siguro daan dito.
Ang taba ako. Sobrang bloated ko. Kaya sikip sobrang ng pantalon ko. Asya, wala. Sexy lang. Sana all. Sana all ka mag-anak ni Kendall Jenner. Yun lang pala yung cons dito, no? Nagstay ka dito sa Dominion.
Mas malapit kasi siya dun sa kabilang kalsada.
Ah, so that pala dun tayo dadaan.
Hindi ko alam daw kung ano yung
Hindi, yun may babae nakatambay. Safe pa kami. Okay. Kaya namin to. Nagawa na namin to ng Tagaytay. Gagamitin ko, tapos biglang kausapin nila ako ng Bisaya, tapos di ko na mapanindigan. Wait lang po, tinuro lang po sa akin yung translation. Paano pag ano yung usual na tatanungin sa akin pag wala akong barya? Ganun.
Kung meron ka bang sinsiyo?
Sisiyo.
Sinsiyo.
Ayoko na, hindi na lang ako huwag mo na lang akong turuan mag-translate. Gamitin ko yung Bisaya. Tapos biglang akala nila marunong ako mag-Bisaya, biglang kinausap nila ako. Tapos biglang...
Ano ko binisaya? Ano sabihin mo?
Pwede ba na akong ihanda ang akong cuteness kapalit ng lahat ng inyong sinabi? Yan. Yun yung tinuro mo sa akin. Hindi na lang lagi kong gagamitin. Ganun. Papalitan ko lang ng ihanda, ibutang.
Galing mo na ako.
Yun na lang. Ganda na lang gagawin ko. Hello guys! Meron po tayong Bisaya Language 101 with Celine. Tuturuan niya ako kasi mamaya iiwan niya na ako mag-isa eh. Ngipin? May ngipin ako. Siyempre kumain ako eh. Dito ko ano yun sa vlog. Hi vlog! Today, samahan niyo akong magtanggal ng tinga. Ang cute ah.
Dressing ba yun?
Oo, parang.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and gets good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never.
Fit. Ajuma fit. Koketa. Ajuma. Tapos, pair niya yung aking bag. And my alarm. It's also pink. And my ribbons. Sabi sa stuff eh. Huwag ka na gumanyan. Ayan na naman siya. Hello ka na lang. Hello, hello. O, paano ulit? Sus, lahat na ginaya. Ligaya. Guys, wala yung taga-translate ko today. Good luck sa akin. Sana hindi ako matulala. Sabihin ko na lang, hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya. Ganun. Sana hindi ako maging magbot today.
All day, you hum me sweet honey melodies. some another time, you see. Trust me with your whole galaxy. Only, even if there's no light we see.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do?
Brown out po, brown out. Tapos wala pang signal. Wala pang signal. Brown out. Pilit ka.
Thinking I belong there.
Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
living somewhere in a different life. I'm still 7 in 2nd grade, and I'm so happy that I feel alright.